Hello student. Today chapter number 1 Evaluations Computer. The second part is the Pascaline. I will teach the Pascaline. Okay. In the online live class also I have taught the Pascaline. Now I will start. Now we can see the Pascaline. Okay. This Pascaline device after the abacus is invented the Napier bones then Pascalines. Okay, it help us to do the addition, subtraction, multiplications and divisions. Okay, you know that through the abacus we can do only for addition and subtraction, but Pascaline one is device. With this device we can do multiplications and division both. Okay. Now the question is what is this Pascaline? So remember the Pascaline is a calculator for mechanical calculator is invented by Blaise Pascal. Remember the great mathematician Blaise Pascal in the 17th century he invented the this Pascaline. Okay. What is that Pascaline? My dear, this is the one box is there. Okay, one box. Inside that box, the wheels are there. 8 movable wheels are there. Okay, through the wheels, we can do the multiplications and division also. Dear students, you have seen the abacus. The abacus help us to the small addition and subtraction. Through that device we can do the small addition and subtraction, but this Pascaline you can see that one box is there, that this is the inside that box metal wheels are there, 8 wheels. You can see here is 6 wheels are showing, but don't count only the 6 wheels. No, inside this box the 8 wheels are there. Okay, with that wheels we can do easily the any kinds of multiplications and divisions. Okay, these devices help us to learn how to multiply and divide, as not only the simple calculation, that complex calculations we can do easily for this. So the great Blaise Pascal, a arithmetician, great arithmetic means mathematicians, he also invented. Clear? The hard kinds, so complex math we can solve easily through the Pascalines. Clear? So I hope in these things you understood about the Pascaline. Okay. Now I will discuss the second part. Okay. Now second part is Z1 computer. You can see this is the Z1 computer. Now what is the Z1 computer? My dear students, whenever it's completed the these additions, multiplications, subtractions, after that Conrad Jesus invented the programmable device. Okay, programmable device means this name is the Z1. That computer name is Z1. Okay, the Z1 is a mechanical computer. Okay, since the year of 1936 he invented this kind of device. Through this device we can make the nice programmable things. Programming things, any kinds of link like a softwares. Okay, it has given the order, like that order not order, that is the instructions. So we can through this program we can solve up some main features. Okay, so Conrad Jesus he invented the first programmable computer. Okay, after that you have to remember the first another one, the Lady Ada Lovelace, she also invented the programmable computers. Okay, that Conrad Jesus that invented the computer, the name is Z1, but concept has given Lady Ada Lovelace. Remember, the Lady Ada Lovelace, the first programmer. You remember the first programmer, and this Cornelius Juices, he invented the device, the computers, but concept has given the Lady Ada Lovelace. Okay, clear? Now our this Pascaline gone, and this one abacus we learned. Now second things, another device came, the Napier bone. Okay, Sir John Napier, okay, he invented the Napier bones. He was also one great mathematician. He invented the Napier bones in the year of 1617. What is that? What kind of help us from this device? Actually, this device has 9 different bones. Yeah, you can say the 9 different types, and through these devices we can do easily division and the square root. Remember the square root. Square root means any kinds of calculation like that. 4 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25. This kind of square root we can do easily through the Napier bones. Okay, so Pascaline, then after the Napier bones, through we make the one computer, that one Z1 is the programmable computers. Clear? So first the Cornelius Jesus is embedded the programmable computer, but remember the Lady Ada Lovelace, she has given the concept of programmable computers. Clear? So today we learn of this device about the Pascalines, Z1, and another device, that is name is Napier bones. Okay, clear? So we will write, I will give few questions, you will write in a copy.